Construction Trades is a 2-year program for juniors and seniors. Basically, we teach a little bit of all the trades. So they're learning foundations, floor systems, wall framing, rafter framing, roofing, siding, electrical, plumbing, drywall, floor laying. So a little bit about everything that it takes to build a house, minus the heating and cooling.
I would say my favorite part of this program is just learning how to build things and do it all on my own. Not having to really rely on anybody anymore, or having to spend a lot more money to pay somebody to do it, and I can just do it myself.
I really like doing last year's project. We did a Western theme, and it was really fun. I like the way it turned out, and actually building it was fun.
I picked up how to redo bathrooms. I'm doing my cousin's bathroom. I've done my own bathroom at my house. So I picked up skills that just allowed me to completely rebuild my own home.
My favorite part is definitely the hands-on learning. That's like the best way for me to learn, is actually doing it instead of just standing in a classroom all the time. I definitely enjoy like making bonds and talking to my classmates. That's a great part about it.
So students should take this class if they have a strong interest in construction and they're looking for a career in the construction industry.
Learn as much as you can, have fun, try to take charge when you can, because learning how to be a leader is really helpful.